This hidden gem, dating back to the early 1800s, holds within its rustic walls a wealth of stories and memories from generations past.
Hey there, everyone. Dave Barlow here with the gang from Sell for 1%.
I was doing the intro.
We've got our House of the Week.
No, I'm doing the intro.
You let him do the intro.
You were asleep at the wheel, buddy. So I'm doing
Let him do it.
And we've got our House of the Week. So, Jay Marinsky, what do you got for us this week?
Well, I know Jay is very excited for this week's House of the Week. I know.
I was excited until this.
I know last week's House of the Week got him pretty fired up on this segment here. So this week, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the history and heart here of Ohio with the Calhoun log cabin nestled on the scenic banks of the Scioto River here in Columbus, Ohio. This hidden gem, dating back to the early 1800s, holds within its rustic walls a wealth of stories and memories from generations past. Originally built by William Calhoun, a pioneer and settler in Ohio, this cabin does stand the testament of time and resilience and spirit of the early pioneers here in Columbus. The Calhoun log cabin sits in Norwich Township. Norwich Township was first established in 1813. Fun fact, the borders weren't decided on until 1830. But it was founded and established 1813 by pioneers and emancipated freemen. Norwich Township gets its name from Norwich, Connecticut, where many of the settlers came from. Legend has it the Calhoun family faced numerous challenges during their time here, from harsh winters to even native tribes coming upon their land. Yet they persevered, carving out a life in the wilderness here in Columbus, and laid the foundation for the vibrant community that is Dublin, Ohio here today. What makes the Calhoun log cabin truly special is not just its historical significance, but also the love and dedication of its current owners, Tom and Danette Calhoun. As we step inside, we're instantly transported back in time. The hand-hewn logs and quaint furnishings evoke a sense of nostalgia, inviting us to imagine the lives of those who came before us and called this cabin home. It was purchased by current owners in the 1980s. The cabin has been a cherished home for them with countless memories and gatherings. Their favorite cherished memory is bringing their daughter, Brittany, home to the house and into the world. Over the years, Tom and Danette have lovingly restored and maintained the cabin as well, ensuring its rich history continues to inspire future generations. From the original wooden floors and two-sided fireplace that divides the entryway and dining room, every detail reflects the cabin's storied past. The river room, adorned with a large tartan rug and a black baby grand piano, serves as the heart of the home. Cherished moments and gatherings all happen here in the river home. With a design style reminiscent of Ralph Lauren, the cabin exudes a timeless elegance that captivates all who enter. In preserving the Calhoun log cabin, Tom and Danette not only honor its legacy, but also pay tribute to the pioneers who paved the way for these future generations. It's a reminder that our roots are deeply intertwined with the places we all call home, and that by protecting our history, we ensure a brighter future for everyone. That is our House of the Week segment this week. If you're interested in this property, any properties in Columbus, Dublin, off the Scioto River, we'd be happy to help. So feel free to reach out to us if you're looking to buy or sell here at Sell for 1%. And look forward to doing another House of the Week next week. Thanks, guys.
Very cool. Thank you.